Good morning mga kaipunaryo. So Kaiser 3-in-1 savings plan. Karugtong ito doon sa nabanggit ko at sa mga naunang video natin. Number 4, additional health benefit when the market is at top performance. Number 5, your Visa card where the funds are deposited option upon maturity. Number 6, withdraw all the money. Kung gusto mo nakunin mo na lahat ang pera mo kay Kaiser, pwede rin naman. Wala ka ng ugnayang kay Kaiser. Number 7, withdraw a portion or interest only and growth continues. Kung gusto mo naman, kunin yung kalahati o portion ng pera mo kay Kaiser o interest lang ang kukunin mo kay Kaiser, pwede rin naman at continued pa rin na lumalago ang pera mo. Number 8, retain or let it grow at an average of 10% yearly. Gusto mo naman, hayaan mo lang na lumalago ng 10% yearly. Kung hindi mo pa naman kailangan, it's okay lang din naman. O di ba? Napakaganda. To learn more about personal finance, comment hashtag I want to learn more or message mo yung IMG member na matagal nang nangungulit sa'yo or message mo lang ako para mag-guide kita kung anong plan ang kukunin mo. Okay, let's go.